Yes, my people, one more time again. Fire Read True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos. So, right now, I'm in Treasure Beach, Billy's Bay. This is where I relax most of the time when I'm not on the farm. So, this is where I come and enjoy the sea view. It's a beauty, my people. So you all can take a look and see the beauty. So when you want to enjoy yourself, you can come to Billy's Bay, St. Elizabeth. A lot of attraction at Billy's Bay. You can find, well, Treasure Beach. You can find GX restaurant. You can also Lashings 77 West. So a lot of attraction around in Billy's Bay, in Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. So you all need to take a visit here. So I'm gonna give you a nice view of the sea, and please enjoy it, okay? Thanks for watching True Jamaican Vibes. So take a tour with me right now. So look at the view. It's a bit dark right now, but it's still a pretty view, so you can keep on watching. So I don't know if we're gonna be lucky today to see any dolphins. So during some of the time we always see like dolphin here. So when you all come to Jamaica, you need to have an old Jamaican ginger beer. It's so refreshing. So right here we have a Jamaican Paki. So we can use the Paki to make plates and stuff. So this is a Jamaican Paki. so you can listen to the nice sound of the water. So welcome to my vlog, Fire Reid True Jamaican Vibes. So most of the times we do a lot of fishing on those rocks. See them rocks right here? So we have some pranganite right here. So right here we have a Poinciana tree. It's a very beautiful tree. So we call this the Poinciana tree in Jamaica. So take a walk with me. I'm gonna give you a next view of the sea. So I'm in Billy's Bay, Treasure Beach. So look at this view, my people. Look at the view. I don't think we're gonna have any sunset this evening because it's like it's more overcast right now, so we're not gonna have any sunset. But on a regular day, it's a beautiful sunset. Also, we have some Neesberry right here. Neesberry. Look in the sky, my people. Look at the beauty. As you can see, a coconut tree right there.